right.
Grandma?
We're in a safe place. We're just trying
Can I
to
go outside?
We're gonna be good. We just gotta get out of the place. Look,
We'll be fine.
fire is warmth. Warmth is good.
Yeah.
Me caveman. Hey, look, the door.
I'm gonna brush your hair. I don't know where brush is anymore. I gotta buy a brush.
Okay.
And that's okay. That doesn't work.
Wait a minute. I think I do.
Okay. Shall start the video now. But okay. Welcome to
Oh God, you're so lucky. You are so lucky. We had to restart all of this.
wow, fascinating.
Who are you talking to?
A YouTube child that is watching video right now.
That's not okay, actually. That's safe though.
Probably not
I
though.
felt more safe than stop.
I don't like the music, dude.
Never felt, as I was saying, never felt more comfortable in my life.
Yeah.
Hey, look, warmth,
More fun.
fire.
Wait.
Oh
A
wait,
YouTube child. Somebody you don't even know.
I think there are gonna be
Probably.
guys down there. Don't.
Guys.
I don't know, but I remember in the previous version of Realm of the Nine Portals, there were dudes down there.
And child will subscribe right now, or else
And there's not nice guys.
I will ban them from device or her. It doesn't matter.
Close. Okay, we'll go back through here.
Okay, which way?
I want to keep going this way. I feel like this warm. Fire's no, that came from. Oh, I want to keep going this way. This is a long hallway.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I feel like I'm on the right path.
I feel a little safer now. Nothing really scary.
Yeah, it's not like the first one.
Oh.
Oh my God! No, Adam! What do I do? What do I do? I'm just running.
Okay.
I'm literally directing my way with the screen. And I can not see in real life right now. But let's just go to my base. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Let me just. I have a bit of a. Anybody that here that knows about Saddleglass is good. Let me see. This. Okay, I'll show you some sour grass. Sour grass. There's some sour grass. If you don't know how to, it's like by these leaves right here. You can probably see that they're not normal leaves. They're like spears with nubs at like the sides of them, and they're sour. If you didn't know, I mean, really anybody would guess that because it's called sour grass. Also, these are the persimmon tree, American persimmon tree. They're like orange-ish fruits, and they fruit in fall, or at least they're ripe in fall. Here is a dogwood, my state flower. Doggywood is my state flower. There. Okay. Anyways, we're going to have to travel a far distance-ish to reach our next next destination. It's not really a good time to, but hey, because the fruit I'm going to be looking at will fruit in late summer to about early fall. Late summer to early fall. Oh my God. I'll show you. Sorry. I don't want to show my destination because I don't want any random, like, 60-year-old man to, I don't know, kidnap me or something for giving out my location. So, very aware of my surroundings. So, wait till this weird person goes off the road or goes to their destination so I don't get run over or something. None of you can guess the next destination. Okay. If you don't know, I'm going to show you. Looky here. These are some grapes. This is a grapevine. It's wild. It's native to here. There's one closer to my home that I should have went to early first, but I was just too stupid to. Okay. A bee! Oh my God, so many bees. Oh God. Or hornets. That'll be it. Anyways. That was overreactive. My God. I just don't want to get stung by no hornets. Okay. At least my house doesn't have hornets. Oh my God. Anyways. I said overreactive. I'm going to go into the pool so that I'm safe. And I can put the cover back onto my iPad so I don't break it. Okay. You're not going to be able to see anything for just a few seconds because I'm putting my iPad case back on because I overreacted with the whole hornet thing. Okay. And yes, they were hornets. I just was, let's just say, scared. I was too scared to think that they were hornets. But yeah, they looked a lot like hornets than bees. Anyways, I'll show you another grapevine. And there's my dog. And the stupid camera doesn't want to focus on anything today. Anyways, we're going to go back over here. Back to the dogwood. Just right there. The camera's never going to focus on it properly. But you see this vine right here? It goes all the way up into the dogwood tree. That's a scuburnog. I don't know how to say it. But it's the same one that I showed you, the wild grape. They're both scuburnog. They produce the same fruit. And yeah. My iPad is about to die because I never wait till it actually finishes charging. Anyways, I basically live in the middle of the woods. Okay. So, oh my God. I like it in the middle of the woods. And there's at least one child watching this from like 52 or something. 2052. Thinking I have such a freaking big channel. And my first video was about grapes. Anyways, I don't have any more things about something that I could show you, I guess. We do have wild turkeys, except they come like on moist days, they come on moist days and like really early in the morning. And I might hunt one. Nope. I'm not going to hunt a wild turkey because they come in like packs, like any turkey would. Also, we have prickly pears, but like 90% of them are like very small. We do have cows nearby because everybody hears moos everywhere. Yeah, but it moves every so often. Moos come from like over there. And if you look very closely, I know it's not going to focus because there's nothing to focus on. But if you look very closely, there's a house over there. And there's a lady that lives in that house. And I know her. But I'm going to go into the house and plug in my iPad. This is going to be, well, this is a short-ish video, and soon as I get into the house. Okay. As soon as I get into the house. Be quiet.
He is not. Beware of the labyrinth, which the green
Anyways,
Whatever.
these flowers right here.
Yeah,
Camera, will you
I feel like
focus for me,
chasing it
please?
right now. It's like,
Those
it'll
flowers
make a noise, it'll come
grow
run.
on vines,
That's the
and those vines can be used for rope or something,
on the best terms with
because
it.
they're good for rope.
I'm expecting a jump scare. I'm so scared. Please stop.
Bro, if it's static, I don't like it.
Wait.
Ooh, ooh,
Why? Because the bar
spoopy,
I'm so on that.
spoopy.
I can't.
Anyways, bye.